Hey there and welcome to our YouTube channel. Curious about who is visiting your website right now? If yes, then the Visitor Traffic Real-Time Statistics plugin is the best choice for you. You can track, analyze, and optimize your traffic all in real time. Turn your data into decisions and make your site smarter. So, let's dive in. So, Visitor Traffic Real-Time Statistics plugin is a great tool to display your website statistics and traffic. And you can display this data in beautiful and advanced charts. What is great about this app is that it offers a mobile app. Here is the link from where the users can install the mobile app and view their statistics. They can scan the QR codes and get access to their traffic and statistics. So now let's start from the dashboard of the plugin, and as you can see, we have already installed and activated the Visitor Traffic Real-Time Statistics Pro. And here you can see data about the online users, today's visitors, today's page views, and all-time search engines. Then comes the traffic report part, where you can sort the reports by days, month, and also you can set a custom period and check the traffic report during that particular time period. Then comes the top 10 countries visiting your website. Then comes the summary statistics. You can see visitors and visits. Here you can see search engine summary statistics, for example, Engine, Google, Other, and Total. Then comes the monthly traffic by IP. Here you can see the IP address of the users, their location, the time they visited the website, and hits. What is great about this part is that you can export the data by clicking on this button. So the file is downloaded, and also you can provide a search within this part. Then comes the today's visitors by country. The next part is browsers. You can see from which browsers the users accessed your website. Then comes the search engines, for example, Google, Yahoo, etc. Then comes the traffic by countries. Here you can see the rank, flag, country, visitors, and visits. And also you can export this data by clicking on this button. Then comes the top referring countries. You can see the data here, top referring sites, and of course you can export this data as well by clicking on this button. And then comes the visits time graph, and then comes the traffic by title. You can see which pages they accessed, and of course you can see the latest search words. You can provide a search within these parts as well, and of course you can export all this data. So as you can see, the plugin has a very rich statistics, and you can get full insights about your website traffic and statistics. Once we are done with this part, we can head to the settings page and check what settings the plugin actually offers. Here are the settings. Here you need to select the time zone, and also please make sure to select the same time zone you set here from the general settings page. You can access this link and change the time zone there as well. Here you can specify the interval for checking online users. So the system will check online users every 14 minutes. Here you can see the settings for the hits. You can specify how many countries the map will display. For example, top 10 countries, all-time visitors, today visitors per country, online visitors, this month visitors, and past month visitors. So you can customize the map as well. Then comes the plugin accessibility. Here you can specify your desired roles to access the plugin. Here you can tick this option and delete the stats if you want. You can tick this checkbox, and if this checkbox is checked, then the system will hide the last 3 digits in all IP addresses. If you tick this checkbox, then the system will hide the top bar icon. Then comes the user role exclusion from statistics. You can choose your desired user roles and their statistics will be excluded from the total statistics. Then comes the IP addresses exclusion. You can specify your desired IP addresses and they will be excluded from the statistics and traffic. And here you can see info about the mobile app, which we have already mentioned. Here the plugin provides a link to download the app, and here you can find a link to activate a mobile app and generate a QR code so that you can scan it and view the statistics. And there is a step to open the app and scan the QR code. If you make any changes here, you need to save the settings so that the system can save the applied changes to the dashboard and to the website. Let's also check the help page here. On this page, you can rate a plugin. Also, you can create a new ticket if you're experiencing any issues on a plugin, and the support team will answer all your questions. And of course, you can find here contact information, email, and website. Also, let's check the mobile app page. Here you can find the mobile app settings. To activate a mobile app, you can either enable it or disable it with this toggle. Here you can scan the QR code, and here you can find the usernames who are using the mobile app, device name, model, connection date, and also you can find the devices that are deleted. So that's all about the plugin features, functionalities, and settings. As you can see, the plugin is pretty much easy to use. So you will not need any coding skills or any special skills to use the plugin, as it's very easy to set up and use. As we are done with the dashboard part, we can go to the WordPress org where we can see the free version of the plugin. Here you can download the free version, and also here in the description you can find different shortcodes the plugin offers. You can use them on your website. For example, let's copy the following shortcode and see how it works on the website. So we go to our dashboard, then go to the post and add a new post. Here we need to click on the plus button and choose shortcode, for example like this, and paste the shortcode here. Also we can add a title, for example website traffic. And we can publish our post. Then we'll need to click on the View Post button to see how the shortcode actually works. So we click on it. And here we can see the presentation of the shortcode, today's visitors, page views, to the total visitors and total page views. Once we are done with this part as well, we can go to the website where the pro version is accessible. And here you can see the pricing, you can see the number of customer reviews. Then you can see the functionalities and features included in a pro version. You can see that it's full GDPR compliant. A free mobile app is included in the price, and many other powerful features the plugin offers. Here you can click on the Add to Cart button to make a purchase. Also here you can see the description about the plugin and the data displayed here for your reference. So that's all about the Visitor Traffic Real-Time Statistics plugin. If you find the video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell for more interactive videos. Bye!